Hi, this is Randy at Porsche Colorado Springs. Today I'm in a 2019 Cayenne S. I'm going to talk to you a little bit about the auto rest feature. You see this on the console here on the driver's side. The other side it just says auto. The auto rest feature is a really nice feature, especially on cold days like today when it's, well, it's showing 7 degrees here. It had been -3 earlier today. This is in a 2019, as I mentioned. The 2019 through 2023 consoles are very similar. 2024, they switched the console up, but the still has this auto rest feature, just in a slightly different location. Today we're going to look at this one though, and the auto rest is a great feature on days like today if you're out running errands and you want to keep the car warm while you are running errands, but be able to turn the car off when you're inside a store. Basically what you do is, the car is running right now, so you can see. I'm going to turn the car off. I'm going to press the auto rest button that is lit up. You'll see that the red light comes on. Now I can exit this car, and basically the coolant is going to still circulate, and you can hear the fan is still blowing. So this auto rest feature is going to keep the car warm for up to 22 minutes at a time when you're outside of the car, have it turned off, and the car is locked. So you can run in and do your errands and come out to a nice warm car. Any questions about this feature, you can reach out to me, Randy Waite, Porsche Colorado Springs. My mobile number is 224-770-1060. Thanks for watching.